Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth in the Face app in 2026. Do you want a cleaner, brighter smile? The Face app can whiten your teeth instantly. And here's exactly how by following these few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the Face app application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the Face app Perfect Face Editor. Once you find the application, you're going to make sure to click on the install button to be able to install the app and wait for it to install. Then you're going to click on open and launch the app. Once you launch the app, you're going to make sure to grant it permission to access your gallery and camera. And once you give it access, your photos will be displayed in this dashboard right here. As you can see in this home screen, all the photos with faces, with clear faces on them, will be displayed here. Now, once you find these pictures, you're gonna make sure to upload one. Then you're gonna go to the smile or retouch section. We're gonna go here and click on smile from this drop down menu. As you can see, these tools right here. You're gonna select smile. Here you're gonna choose classic, the closed, if you don't want a closed smile. If you want a tight smile, and if you want pretty teeth, if you want clean teeth, you're gonna choose this one right here. As you can see, it says pretty teeth and it whitens your teeth. Now, this feature requires a premium version, so if you want to use them, you better unlock the pro version of the Face app. Now, you're gonna apply the effect and save your results. Now, you keep whitening subtle and avoid unnatural bright tones, and also use color clear photos. And that's it. That's how you whiten your teeth using the Face app in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.